The Fair Credit Reporting Act law provides individuals with the right to access their credit reports, with credit reporting agencies required to provide a report at least once a year. This law also enables individuals to request the removal of inaccurate information from their credit file. If errors are found in a credit report, individuals have the right to dispute and have the relevant bureau correct it. The law restricts access to credit reports, prohibiting certain entities, such as insurance companies and landlords, from viewing them without consent. For example, an employer must obtain permission before accessing an individual's credit report. Additionally, the law allows individuals to put a security freeze on their credit report, which prevents lenders from checking the report unless the individual lifts the freeze. Overall, the Fair Credit Reporting Act law provides individuals with control over their credit reports and helps protect their personal financial information.